Hi, welcome to our second part of our Mother's Day online story time. The first sign I'm going to teach you is the sign for Mom and Grandma. Mom is your hand with your thumb extended, but turn it so your thumb points towards your body and touch your chin once. Mom. If you touch it twice, Grandma. Mommy. Mimi. Excellent. I'm also going to teach you the sign for I love you. Point to yourself. I love is you're crossing your hands over your chest, like over your heart. Love and you. Mommy. So I love you, Mommy. Excellent. Good job. We are going to make a craft for Mom, and it's going to be personalized, and you can help your child do it for the child's mom or grandma or aunt, whatever. It's going to involve paint. So we made handprint flowers in a flower pot, a cactus flower, and of course a flower plant. First thing you do is you get a blank piece of paper, you paint your child's hand with the green and place it right on the paper and press it a little. Make sure they don't move it. Now the paper has to sit and let dry. While that's drying, you can make the flower pot. I used a brown paper bag, cut it so you get the flat part of the bag, like this. And the simple way to make a straight flower pot is to measure and make a triangle. I measured 6 inches, then 3 inches in the middle, made a dot, and then I measured down 6 inches again, made a dot, and connected it and made a triangle. Once the triangle is made, you bend it to how big you want your pot to be, fold it and cut it, and that would be the bottom of your pot, and then just cut a strip about 7 to 8 inches, and that's the top of the flower pot. By the time you finish that, your handprint will be dry. So you do the next part. You'll take the yellow and dot it on top. Point your finger, and then you let it dry. And if you're going to do the flowers, you'll pick a color, any color. I'll pick the red one. Put a little red, and then take your pointer finger and do 4 or 5 dots around the yellow. And if your child can't tolerate that, if she's little, just do little black lines and make a cactus. And there you have a handprint of your child's age. We have some coloring sheets of Mom's baby animals. My mom is a super mom, a Mother's Day, and a sloth. Before I go to the links, I wanted to talk about one last thing. Mother goose rhymes. All kids learn those. They're not easy to find in children's room because they end up in nonfiction because they're passed down through oral tradition. And all that's different are the illustrations. So here comes Mother Goose, a Spanish one, Pio Peep, where there's Spanish and English. This one is by Jane Yolen, This Little Piggy. It's softer colors. And Jane Chapman, who does young children's books, very bright, vibrant colors to her Mother Goose rhymes. And I'll read one that we're all probably familiar with. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Very familiar, and it gives a lot of, and kids just love the rhyming. So the whole book is filled with rhymes, with interesting pictures they can pick out. Very fun to do. Last but not least, we have our links. We have 2 links, different links that show Mother's Day crafts. There's about 25 crafts on each link. We have a 3rd link with Scholastic books with Mother's Day stories. And our last link is the history of Mother's Day, how it all came about in our country and others. So Mom, I love you, and thank you for listening.